Good afternoon, guys. I'm Michael Chin. I'm a physical therapist. I'm a strength and conditioning specialist. I'm also the founder of P3 Athletic and Physical Therapy. I'm here with Steve, the owner of Anchored Strength and Conditioning. We're on the platform today. We're talking about the high pull position of the snatch, trying to improve that positioning, especially when it comes to shoulder internal rotation. So Steve's going to show us the positioning along with Hugo here, position that we're looking for. It's got his snatch width and that high pull coming up. So you have this nice kind of scarecrow position. And back down, show us one more time. So it's got pretty nice motion. What we often see if we're tightening this position, that shoulder kind of dips forward, okay? So we're not able to keep that upright back, chest, and full internal rotation. So how we want to improve that, we have an easy stretch we do called a sleeper stretch. So Coach Steve's gonna lay on his side here. He's gonna line up, weight on his shoulder, hips all the way, and he's got a little bit of weight right on the back of the shoulder. His elbow's bent at 90 degrees here. And he's gonna gently put some pressure down, use the other hand. So he feels that little bit of pull, backside of the shoulder. He has a little bit of pressure on the back so his shoulder doesn't come up. So again, we're looking for this internal rotation, help with the high pull position, gently pushing to some stretch of the shoulder, like this 30 times. You repeat that a couple times. Really good for prepping of the snatch position and not caving into that. So give that one a shot. Let me know how you do.